Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a fake realistic background in CapCut PC. So you can find stuff from stock videos and you can also generate them in the AI section, or I think it's in the, wait, where is it? Oh, I need to sign in to generate AI. But I'll just be using the ones that they have here. So move your video on the second layer. Go to remove background and select auto removal. Then I'm going to go to the background section, or the scenery one actually. And I'm going to find a background that I think will look good behind this. So maybe like this one, maybe he's interviewing here. I'm just going to adjust the proportions a little bit, maybe making him look smaller. Let me just adjust this a little bit as well. And on the video here, I'm going to just adjust him so he doesn't, so it does like blend it. So he does like blend a little bit more with the background. Sorry, I could not talk. I'm just going to adjust the temperature and the saturation a little bit. I'm going to adjust the exposure. Just play around with the settings here until you find the right setting for it. You can also select color match, but you need Pro for this. So select it from video and press OK, and hopefully it will color match with the background of it. But yeah, just do that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.